This is Mani, PicOS Technical Marketing. In this video, we are going to see how AmpCon is used for configuration management of PicOS and PicOS-V switches. There are four configuration management use cases. AmpCon can take automatic periodical backup of all deployed and imported switches. You can do a manual backup of specific switch configuration when you need it. You can restore the configuration from a backup, and you can compare between PicOS configuration files. Let us see how to do it. So here we are. I logged into AmpCon user interface. You select lifecycle and config backup. So here you can give the interval how periodically you want to back up all configuration. For example, I can say every day at 11 p.m. And then click save. That's what I have. So all the switches every day at 11 p.m. it will take configuration. This is automatic backup of configuration of all PicOS switches. If you want to do a manual backup, you select the specific switch that you want to do. For example, one of these switches, you click this backup config. That will take manual backup at that instance, and all these will be saved in AmpCon database. So anytime you can go refer it. Now let us look at how to restore backup from a config. Let us say configuration become complex and it's no more working. You want to move back to a working config. So what you can do is select the switch. You select this snapshot list. So from here, whichever version you want to back up, you click rollback config. That's how you roll back to a working config. Now let me show you the fourth use case, which is comparing config between two configuration files. Let us say we select one of the GNS3 PicOS-V switch I have, which we recently upgraded, enforced a new policy. So in here, I'm taking the old config. This is the serial number of spine 01, old config. Select the same switch here. And in this case, I'm going to select the latest configuration. So here, what you see is we pushed SNMP configuration. So originally, when the switch was deployed, it did not have SNMP configuration. And last time we enforced SNMP version 3 policies. So you see it as a diff, like you can compare it side by side. Configuration file within of different timestamp within the same switch, or you can also compare between switches.